Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Khalil.
Hey, I'm Kiara.
Oftentimes, we get asked many questions about our real estate investing journey. As you may know, we started in 2012, and we did not have a huge sum of money.
We had to kind of figure out what it is that we wanted to accomplish. So really quickly, we learned that the foundation of being successful in real estate is being creative. And part of that creativity is being creative in finding your money.
So what we did is we found other people's money, OPM. And it's been the foundation of our real estate journey for quite some time.
Right, so what is OPM, right? So OPM is using other people's money. So it's being creative in how you're financing deals and leveraging people, your relationships, and different organizations that have access to funds or focus on real estate to help you fund your journey. So for us, we have 20 rental units, we have a bunch of construction projects, and we've actually built that portfolio never touching a bank, without using banks, without working with banks. And so that means we've had to do tons of creative things to make our deals work.
Yeah, so we've worked with private lenders, we've worked with hard money lenders, we've even used nonprofit financing. We used a bunch of different methods to fund our own deals. And of course, because we feel so strongly in our knowledge base and how we do things, we put some of our own capital into each project. But by and large, we use other people's money to make sure that they are successful.
Right. So what do you need to know about OPM and about being creative in your deals? Number one, I think you have to be really comfortable and confident in telling your story, right? Telling people what you're trying to accomplish, telling people what it is that your goals are and how they can help you achieve them through providing financing.
Absolutely. So when we approach people, we say, hey, we are real estate investors. We have a strong portfolio and a strong track record. What we're looking to do in the long term is build a network of people with whom we can invest. And we can all take each other's investment portfolios to the next level, whether that's a 50 unit, a 100 unit, a 200 unit complex.
Right. So when we first got started, before we had that portfolio, what we were saying was, what were our goals, right? We wanted to go into these, what we called forgotten neighborhoods, these areas where there was strong disinvestment. There wasn't a lot of people going in and renovating, and there were tons of vacants. And we would go and we'd say, hey, we really have this vision of turning these houses into homes. We are really passionate about providing really secure, strong housing for people to be able to grow and flourish as individuals, and kind of take the whole concept of landlords and slumlords and all those types of things, take it to the next level and show that you can be a landlord, you can provide really great housing, you can really invest not only in property but in people as you work with and interact with your tenants. And so as we told people what our vision was, they really supported and backed us, not only from just a positive energy perspective, but from a dollar perspective, and being able to invest in our vision through our real estate. And so that has been really great for us. And I think it'd be really great for folks to get used to telling their story, really defining their why. Why are you trying to invest in real estate? So that can transfer to the people that you're trying to work with.
So we very quickly went from real estate investing to community development on a full-fledged level. We want to get into areas and neighborhoods and make sure that when we leave, the community is much better off than when we first arrived. And the foundation of that, in order to do it at all, was leveraging OPM, other people's money. Being able to tell our story, share our tales, explain our vision, and then resonate with an audience of deep pockets and use those pockets to accomplish exactly what we're looking to do. And we want you to be able to do that too.
Yeah. So one of the things that's so funny about OPM is people are usually like, well, where do I go? Where do I find it? Like, who has all this money? And what's so funny is a lot of times it's usually right within your network. So you'd be really surprised about how many people actually do have cash that they'd be interested in earning a higher return on, right? If you have money in a savings account, you're probably earning 0.001, you're not earning a whole lot from an interest perspective, and you really want your money to work for you. And so if you're able to offer an opportunity to have someone's money work for them, when you understand how to explain how everything works, they're all about it.
Absolutely, and it's a no-brainer for them, it's a no-brainer for you, it's a mutually beneficial bond, and you all work together to make sure that the task is accomplished and executed appropriately. So don't be afraid. When you go out there and ask for OPM, make sure you're confident, make sure you have a very strong knowledge base, make sure you tap into your network, and you make the ask.
Absolutely. You just want to know exactly what it is that you're trying to accomplish and explain that and be clear. This is what I'm looking for. Here's what I'm trying to do. And here's what's in it for you.
The best way to get started on your real estate investing journey using OPM, Other People's Money, is through our masterclass. OPM is King Masterclass.
If you aren't already, make sure you're following us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, Charm City Buyers on all the above. Make sure you join our CCB VIP email list. We always want to make sure that we're taking special care of those who are on our email list. So we will see you next time. Oh,
Yeah.
what's next? What's next?
Well, you don't have to go. What's next? So
Stay tuned for more videos.
yeah,
I forgot where I started though.
No, does he have to? He doesn't say
I don't have
anything
to say
again.
my
I
part
just have to
you
say.
just have to start.
Okay.
All right.
I can't think of a good
A
one.
video closing.
Yeah.
And we're closed. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Have a good one. So make sure you join. So make
See
sure
you
you
next
join.
time.
See you next. So make sure you join. See you later.
That was actually pretty.
What's wrong with that one?